Hey there! Today we're talking about a serious issue that affects many workers, especially in the aircon installation industry. Picture this: technicians working several stories high, balanced precariously while installing heavy equipment. It's not just another day at the office. It's a situation where one wrong move could change everything. I want to share a concerning incident with you. Recently, we witnessed one technician taking dangerous shortcuts during an installation job. They ignored basic safety protocols, and sadly, it ended exactly as you might expect, with a devastating fall that resulted in severe injuries. This isn't just a cautionary tale, it's a wake-up call for everyone in the industry. You know what's frustrating? This accident was completely preventable. Proper safety harnesses, secure anchor points, well-maintained scaffolding, these aren't just suggestions, they're life-saving necessities. Every time I see someone working at height without proper safety measures, I think about their families waiting for them at home. Here's where you come in. I want to hear from you, especially if you're in the industry. What do you think should have been done differently? What are the essential safety measures that should never be compromised? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's create a discussion that could potentially save lives. Remember, no installation job is worth risking your life for safety first. Always.
Calma, moço. Calma, calma. Peraí. Peraí, com o braço dele aqui, ó.
Liga pra ambulância, por favor.
Rápido.